Hey guys, we received this premium XL Shammy towel for cars from Mighty Cleaner for test and try. So it's a pack of two extra large towels. This pack is like a 34 by 25 inches, is a super absorbent and is a towel for your car. So, if there's a spots or, you do for washing of the car, so this helps in soaking this up. So as you can see, this comes in a really nice plastic box. Let me just take this out. So this have a good absorbency of water and then hold and you can just squeeze it down after soaking it up and then use. So as you can see it here. So I just put some water and then just for testing it, and you can see it's a very thick and large one. It can hold up to a large amount of water than its own weight, like at least 10 times. And then you can just put in. So let's say it is like washing and cleaning is easy. If there is a water, it will absorb. For the car paint also, this is good. As you can see, it is not scratching on the surface. So this is good. So it's very nice and safe for the car as well, and also it's easy to use. So pretty much like straightforward use. So it's good for interior cleaning as well or any other purpose with this soft material. So same thing with the other cloth is also extra large towel cloth. It's in yellow color and comes in a pack of two. So basically, I will say it's a high absorbent material, can be used for any delicate stuff to use, and then just do it just on your car as well. So both interior, exterior, nice cloth, nice size, extra large size, and just put it on the top to soak up the water after the car wash, and then it's pretty much good to go. And after the use, you can also like just put it back into this supplied boxes. So it's really easy, and this plastic boxes will not spill the water outside. So it's pretty nice, very nice extra large cloth for your car or any other purpose.